Alright, good morning guys. It is now after 7. We get ready for school, but today is the 5th day of December. So Gianna is going to open up the 5th slot. Let's go. Oh, careful. Push it and then open it. Oh shoot. So we're on the 5th day of December. So how many more days left until Christmas?
20.
Yeah, good job. Alrighty, so we'll see y'all later. I know I look a little crazy, but I didn't get to twist up my hair last night. So I said go. I'm dropping off G. We're on our way to school. So yeah, I think I'm just doing that. I think I have something to pick up at Rite Aid, but I'm gonna see how I feel once I get on the road and drop G off. Come G.
She maybe like make a hat so you guys can see.
Yeah, maybe.
Probably. You never know.
Go on. Alright. It's cold. Alright guys, so I just dropped off Gianna to school. It is December 5th, and I just have a prescription to pick up from the pharmacy. So I'm gonna just do that real quick, get that out the way, and then that's it for my outside things that I have to get done. I might try to do something like with the knitting machine today. I'll see how I feel. Other than that, that's it. So I'll see y'all when I come back. Right. So I made it to Rite Aid. Alright, so got what I came for. Leaving Rite Aid now. And going home. That's all I really have planned for outside for today. So I'm just gonna go home. I'll probably make me a little smoothie. And that's it. So I'll see y'all when I get back to the house. Alright, so hey. I'm just home. My hair looks crazy. I didn't twist it up last night. So don't judge me. No, I'll get it together eventually. But I'm just gonna put on the kettle for Faye because he wants some water. Some tea. So put some water in here, put some oil. He likes two tea bags in his tea, so that's what I'm gonna do. Sugar. Alright. You can see anything? Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna chef up my smoothie real quick. Just got a little tropical fruit blend, some blackberries, and some orange juice. Alright, so Bae said to try this Mrs. Freshly Jelly Swirl Honey Bun. I ain't never seen this. I've probably seen it but bypassed it.
Yeah, well, everybody's doing that right now. Any deli that are the body snack. Trust me on that.
Alright.
Tastes like the jelly donuts from Jamaica.
Alright, so Bae said this tastes like the jelly donuts in Jamaica. So we're gonna see what it's hitting for. Alright. On the piece with the jelly and stuff, so.
But I always
got a knife.
Take a little piece, you know, in case you waste it, a joke.
Alright, so I'm gonna try it. It did do for real.
I tell you, right? Yeah, man. I mean, putting on panda snack, you know. What name? Jelly swirl. You see me? Make Jazzy taste it. Jazzy want to taste it? It's been, I seen this in the deli all the time. And pass it. Say, what kind of foolishness is that, man?
No, it tastes good.
And the day when I couldn't get a regular honey bun now, I say, alright, let me try out that one, yeah. And the baddest thing me ever taste.
It tastes good.
Yeah, man. Look at that, you know, the top chef I put on. Oh, she had tear it up, you know, you see it? And then you tell me, say, oh, I'll try. I don't know if I'm going to eat it. Look at you now. Look at that now.
Can I eat in peace, please?
They're eating a piece. You're eating a piece, you see me, I say? Yeah, man, me putting on to this and I'm going to try it. It taste just like the donut from Jamaica. Look at that. I'll just love it. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing going on. You see me, I say? Bully beef, you see me, I say? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing going on. Bully beef, I do it tonight, man. Something quick and fast. And then you don't know, we'll have some dumpling and yam from about a day ago or so. You don't know, we'll fry up them. Not now, yes. Look at that. The more rice over there, so. Dumpling there, so. Bully beef there, so. Look at that. Come on, you don't know thing going on. We are going to beat that golden brown color, you know. Yeah, man, I saw it come on at the Top Chef. You know, the rice in the pot with some butter go and steam down. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see the flour, they might get the color now. Yeah, man, them done, you know, we are take them out. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, we're going to saute the onion, them and turn down the stove and make them go and cook. You see me, when them saute now, I'm going to throw the bully beef in it. Yeah, man, bully beef ready, you know? But with some rice and the dumpling and the yam, them will fry up. Sick. Look at that. At the Top Chef. This go and cook down a little bit, you know? For another 5-7 minutes. And it's ready. You see me? Yeah, man, make sure you now subscribe and follow if you follow, you know. Top Chef Dundyplace, you know. Look at that, you know, and the family. Big up.